Salut, salut, bonjour, coucou, wherever you're seeing this. Today, we want to talk about you taking your own life into your hands. And you're looking at a new month, looking at a new year, and you're saying, maybe once in a while, we just ask ourselves, how can my life be better? Or just notice within yourself that I don't think I'm living a good life, right? Or is this how my life will end? And it is not just about you going to church, right? Or going to religious center and shouting, Amen. I believe. I have faith. Oh my God. And after you are done shouting, you don't do the work. You don't take action. You don't market yourself. You don't put yourself where people will see you. You're just busy shouting, Amen. Writing New Year's resolution, going back and forth with your life, like just moving around in circles. This is me letting you know that you need to just do things differently. That's part of what I told myself this year. I said that each day I wake up, I will ensure that I do things differently, whether I know how to do it or not. Right? Once the thought comes into my mind, and I know that okay, this thing is valuable, this thing is beneficial, or this is what I want to do, I will just do it. Try different process. Just do it differently. Enough of you using the same mouth to complain. You are complaining. The economy is bad. Government is this. Government is that. Those are external factors. You don't have control over it. Right? You don't have control over the government. You don't even have control over the country. The only singular act that you have control over is your own life. How you are living. You can control what you can do better. You can control where you can go next. What I'm doing, I can control it. Okay, let me stop filming. I can control, okay, let me focus on my walking. Or I can just control and say, okay, let me just go back to where I'm coming from. Because I am in control of that. But the way the sun is shining, I'm not in control of it. It's only God that can sort that out. So this is the right time for you to sit down and tell yourself you need to do something differently. Enough of you waiting for a mentor or looking for one helper of destiny to come from unknown place when you're not doing the work. David was found doing the work. He was doing the work. People were like, where? He was spotted. He did not even notice that. Somebody was looking at him. And in that time, I would be like, oh, I'm posting on Facebook. I'm posting on YouTube. 0 likes. Come on, people are watching. And when the right time will come, you will bloom. So please focus on yourself. I need to end this nowadays. A party going on there and it's quite noisy. You know, this is a festive period. So what I'm saying is that focus on yourself. Do something different. Be better. Don't repeat last year this year. Don't repeat last month this month. Be creative. Just do something. And trust me, it's beneficial. Take care of yourself. Bye.